In this video, I'll show you how to use Schaff trend cycle or STC indicator in order to trade binary options in a profitable way. Not only that much, I'm going to show you how you can trade binary options in a profitable way by using Schaff trend cycle indicator in 5-second time frame. Okay, not 1 minute, 5-second time frame. And this platform that is called Pocket Option allows you to trade on 5-second time frame. Okay, if you are trading binary options, and if you don't have an account on Pocket Option, then do yourself a favor and click the link that I have given in the description of this YouTube video for this platform, and you will be eligible to get a huge amount of deposit bonus while depositing for the first time inside this platform. Not only that much, you will keep on receiving deposit bonus while you deposit in upcoming days inside this platform. Okay, so now I will explain you, I'll show you each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you can learn everything and you be able to use everything that I'm going to show you in this video right after watching this video. Okay, so watch this video very carefully, and at the end, if you think this video was valuable for you, then please do like this video. It will help me a lot. Okay, so first thing, whenever you enter inside this platform, just choose the currency pair wherever you want to make trade on. Okay, and you can make this favorite to put it at here. Okay, so for example, GBPCS, if I click at here, and it will be at here. Okay, in this way you can make this currency pair favorite in order to get easy access to trade on these currency pairs. Now another thing you need to do is just click on this candle. Okay, and this should be selected, and just select S5. Okay, so that all of these candles are forming in 5-second time frame. Okay, and then if it is flag at here, make it clock. Okay, and then click on here and click on S5. Okay, so your trading duration will be of 5 seconds. And in case if you are not seeing this S5, then that means this currency pair will not allow you to trade on 5 seconds. Okay, you need to know that very clearly, and then put the amount that you want to invest, okay, in one-time trade. So now once you have done this much, then you need to implement this Schaff trend cycle. Just click on here. Okay, so let me remove it firstly. Just click on here. Okay, and search where is the Schaff trend cycle indicator. Just click on it. Okay, and you are fine. You don't need to make any changes at here. But in case if you are using any other platform, you can use this exact setting. Okay, so once you have done this much, now it's time for you to make trades. Okay, now as you can see, there are two lines. Okay, this is the place where market is considered to be overbought, and this is the place where market is considered to be oversold. Okay, so unlike any other indicator, it reduces the noise, like it gives you the early signal on where you need to make the trade. Okay, so as you can see here, currently market is in oversold region. Okay, so that clearly means that market is will go up. Okay, but you need to wait. Okay, you need to wait and see exactly it should start to make green candle. Okay, and it should also start to come out. Okay, and at that point I'll exactly show you where you need to make the trade. As you can see here, here you can see green candles are forming, no movement is happening at here, so you need to be patient. Okay, so it came out. Okay, so now here is the place where you can make trade by clicking on higher. Okay, and most probably your trade is going to be right in 5-second time frame. So as you can see, I have made $75 at here. So in this way you can use this indicator to make trade. As you can see here also, not here. Okay, let me show you at here. Okay, so market was going up, so it was in a bound here. Okay, in range bound, and it suddenly start to went up. Okay, market formed a candle. Now anywhere in this or this candle, you could have easily make trade by clicking on higher. As you can see, I have already, so now it is falling down, right? Now it is falling down. Now in another candle I can make a trade by clicking on lower in here also. Okay, in this way, and most probably I'm going to be right, but let's see. Yes, I made the profit at here. Okay, so in this way it is extremely simple to use the Schaff trend cycle indicator, and with 5-second time frame, it is like a blessing. Okay, you can keep on making trade and keep on making profit by using this indicator. And if you have any question, then do ask me in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.